Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're going through the June 2023 GCSE Foundation Paper 3 questions. And this is question 24. And the topic here is really about factors and multiples. And we have A, which is 2 squared times 3 to the 4 times 7. And B is 3 squared times 7 squared. It's only a 1-mark question. So it's really only asking you to identify something without having to actually know what these numbers are. So if you want to look at my other videos where I show the table method, we normally know what that number is. But here, because it's already in prime factors, or prime factor decomposition, we don't need to know what these numbers are. We just need to see what's common. Okay, so 2 is only an A, so it's not common. And there's only 1 7. But there's 3 squared in both and 1 7, so it's 3 squared times 7. So the highest common factor is 9 times 7. It's 63, or if they want it left in that factor form, it's like that. Okay, so I don't need to know what those numbers are. I just need to identify what's common. The Venn diagram method is quite useful for this, where you put what's common in the middle here. There's 3 squared and there's 7, everything left out. So there's a 7 for the B, and there's 2 squared and a 3 squared there for A. Okay, but there are different methods for this. I like the table method. Sorry, trying to focus the camera again. There we go. I like the table method when I've got the numbers. I don't normally use the Venn diagram method unless it's already in factor form. Okay, so a lot of chat for just 1 mark, but it's to make sure that we're clear about what's happening here. Now it says, again, just for 2 marks, so not a lot of marks here, but again, it's understanding the lowest common multiple. So I've drawn out the Venn diagram, and we know the highest common factor was 3 squared times 7. We now then need to multiply by all the other factors, but not repeats. So whatever else makes up B would be multiplying by another 7. Whatever else makes up A would be another 3 squared and a 2 squared, because the lowest common multiple is multiplying those two A times B without any repeated common factors. So I've got that highest common factor, and that 7 there would make the B, and 2 squared times 3 squared would give us A. So the lowest common multiple is going to be 2 squared times 3 to the 4 times 7 squared. And if you look back here, it's got the 2 squared, it's got 3 to the 4, it's got 7 squared, so it's covered all of those. And that makes that number there, whatever it is, the lowest common multiple. If we actually, it's a calculator paper, so I can actually work it out. It's 2 squared times 3 to the 4 times 7 squared. It's 15876. Okay. If you wanted to work those numbers out from here, we need to work out what A is. And A, using calculator, 2268, and B equals 441. And if you use a table method for that, you'll see that 63 comes out as the highest common factor, and 15876 comes out as the lowest common multiple. Okay. That's some factors and multiples. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And good luck for your exams.